Today we are going to our house. There is some repair works there. We will change an AC and heater, and the service personnel has already reached, and we will see how things move.
खराब neighborhood है इस area का. खराब in the sense बहुत tight congested.
This is the vicinity of our house. Very cool and calm, fantastic. These are the repair people who have came to replace the whole unit, and today we'll learn how they do. घर के मचान पे आ गए हैं और ये रिपेयर का काम चल रहा है. एसी और हीटिंग यूनिट रिपेयर हो रही है और ये रुई है टेम्परेचर रिटेन करने के लिए गर्म जब होगा घर. गैस से ये पूरा यूनिट है जो कि घर को गर्म करता है और ठंडा करने के लिए भी नीचे एक एसी है. टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल के लिए एक नेस्ट थर्मोस्टेट डिवाइस है जिसको ख़रीदा अभी हम इंस्टॉल करने की कोशिश. ये जो हीटिंग यूनिट था मुझे लगा इसको रिपेयर किया जाएगा, बट ये लोग बिल्कुल नया यूनिट इंस्टॉल करेंगे. एक नीचे यूनिट है और एक ये इंटरनल यूनिट है. और मज़े की बात यह है कि इस यूनिट की कॉस्ट 1500 है और इसके रिपेयर की मेहनताना जो है, जो इसकी रिपेयर की सर्विस चार्जेस हैं, दैट आर 3000 रुपीज़. सो ऑल टुगेदर $4300 फॉर रिप्लेसमेंट. सो विच इज़ वेरी स्ट्रेंज, बट दिस इज़ द वे. ये हमारी एक्सटर्नल यूनिट है और इसके पीछे गोल्फ कोर्स है और ये हमारे बाउंड्री है जो हमारे घर का बैकयार्ड है. और इस यूनिट से कूलिंग यूनिट है, ये ड्रीम कंपनी का है. अब इसको इस यूनिट को रिप्लेस करके ये नया और अच्छा एफिशिएंट यूनिट लगा. यूनिट में हम वेल्डिंग कर रहे हैं. नाउ द यूनिट हैज स्टार्टेड एंड एज टोल्ड द न्यू मशीन विल हैव सम oil in it which may cause some smoke to come, so we have turned off the fire detectors also, and this is the way down from the attic. हीटिंग गैस से होती है और इसलिए हम हल्का धुआं भी देख रहे हैं जो उस मशीन का ऑयल के कारण है. अब नीचे हीटिंग चालू हो गई है, हल्का बदबू भी आने लगा. This is what I learned new in US. Today we installed this Google Nest device. And it comes with an app. You can set your temperature, AC, cooling. Automated gates होते हैं. परमिशन आप नंबर देते हैं, उस नंबर के ऐप पे एक परमिशन की रिक्वेस्ट जाती है, परमिट हो जाता है. ये थोड़ी अप स्केल्ड सोसाइटी है, थोड़ी ज़्यादा सिक्योर और इंटरेस्टिंग है. ऑल टुगेदर सब में मज़ा बराबरी है, सब कुछ एक से ही लगते हैं. नाउ आई एम हेडिंग टू द मेट्रो स्टेशन हियर कॉल्ड मार्ट. खास चीज़ जो मैंने यहाँ नोटिस किया कि मेट्रो के दरवाजे पे एक सेंसर है जो देखता है कि कौन आदमी यहाँ पे खड़ा है. बेसिकली वो शायद कूलिंग को लीव नहीं करना चाहते कि कूलिंग उनसे लॉस ना हो, इसलिए वो शायद उन्हीं दरवाज़ों को खोलेंगे जहाँ पे कोई अवेलेबल होगा टू कम आउट. दिस इज़ न्यू. ऐसा जर्मनी में एक स्विच मैंने देखा था कि वो स्विच प्रेस करके ही आप बाहर आ जाते हैं. अदरवाइज़ वो क्योंकि बहुत ही लेस क्राउडेड है ये मेट्रो, यहाँ पे लोग बहुत कम होंगे. We have come to wash our car today. The system works like you have to go into a car where they will do an exterior wash, putting you into this machine, automated wash. Before that you can do some preparation. This is called the prep area. So preparations you can do here. Put some soap on your car, then you will go to free vacuums. So let's experience this today. It will cost $4 or $5 today for washing the car.
Now we are at the car wash and here he is buying the ticket for car wash. This is the card payment system. And there you can see is the car wash entrance area. Currently we were prepping the car over here with the soap. And after the car wash, the left side is the vacuum area. You have to do the vacuum by yourself. Now we are getting inside the car wash area. The car has to be kept on neutral without any brake, and here you can see the water and the brushes coming. Car is getting washed. car is getting dry. Now we are out from the cleaning area and now we will be going to the vacuum area. Here you can see pre-vacuums. When you buy the car washing, then you get pre-vacuums and you have to do that by yourself. So here it states that we will get 10 minutes to vacuum the car after we pick up this lever. Now we are ready to vacuum our car. The stand that we were using for the bicycle is not allowed during the car wash. So before washing the car we had to take it out. After that only we get the entry. Now our car is clean and we are ready to go.
So now we are here for coin laundry and सारे डालने बेटा. And we can see that we are inserting 25 cents and then it is reducing and we have to pay $2.5 for this whole load of clothes. And after washing in this area, this is the laundry system. We will dry these for 25 cents and it is altogether interesting.
We are inside the coin laundry system. These you can see are the washing machines. This is an ATM and this is the coin vending machine. So here you have to put any of the dollars like $1, $5, $20, and this gives you coins. So currently we took out coins for $3 and we have washed our clothes. I'll show you the washing machine I used. It says pay $2.50. So the coin vending machine gave us 4 coins for $1 and here we are drying. So currently we are in the drying mode. It takes $0.25 for drying and currently we are drying the clothes. It is air dried and it takes around 25 minutes for drying and 25 minutes for washing. You have to bring your own detergent and softener if you use, and then you have to wash your clothes over here. Here was the laundry, coin laundry, and this area has different shops over here. Like this is a clothing brand PCX, then DD's Discount, Buffet, and next stop will be our Farmers Market, then a Goodwill store, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, NCG. This is the mail booth. Couriers are not delivered at the doorstep over here. Amazon has installed this over here. So this is the courier management system. This has different size of boxes. So whatever the size of your courier is, accordingly it is kept in these boxes. And here it is having code system. So you'll have to just dial the code, and accordingly the particular box which is having your courier will be opened. See, this is how it opened, and this is how we got our courier. So Amazon is delivering everything over here, and this is their box only. Everything comes from Amazon in America.